Okay, now so after connecting with the ISO image, our installation process of server 2016 have been done, and right now I am on the customization settings. So let's go with the further options. They are asking now for default administrator password, so I need to implement the password over here and then confirm the password and hit enter. Now finalize the things. Each and everything is going fine. Simple steps. With the simple steps, we just installed server 2016 on our virtual machine. Now we are prepared that we will customize this virtual machine options related to the VMware tools, and now we will go with the further detail options. How can we edit their hardware resources with their boot options and number of other settings related to the virtual machine. So let's move further and get detailed deployment scenarios with ESXi 6.7.